Alright, hey guys, so I'm going to do another quick little video here. We are going to try to restore the front fender of that other bike. So it's in pretty bad shape. You can see it here. It's very oxidized on the front where it's exposed to the sun. You can see where it's a little nicer where the stickers were. I don't know if this is washing out too bad. Let's come over here. I don't think that's any better. Maybe that is. There we go. Alright, you can see the back where it was shaded. It was actually still in pretty good shape. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take some simple green, just regular old simple green, and a red Scotch-Brite, and I'm going to first wash some of the dirt and oxidize off of it, and then we're going to come back with the secret weapon. So bear with me for a minute. I'm going to give you to my cameraman, and we're going to go to work. And go. Alright, well, let's get to it. Spray it down really good. Spray your pad down. And scrub. This is going to take off some of the dirt and oxidize here. You can already see it starting to turn a little bit of a grayish brown color. Another thing this is going to do is it's going to help polish out some of the smaller scratches. Yeah, by adding more scratches, but different. Now this won't work on those fenders that are so sun-dried that they just are brittle and cracked, but this one here still pretty flexible, and it's not in too bad a shape. It's just really oxidized. The inside here, as you can see, I just sprayed it, but the inside is actually in pretty good shape. It's not too oxidized, so I'm just going to give this just a quick scrub. Alright, let's rinse it off and see what we got. Alright, I can already tell it's already starting to look 100 times better than it did. Still not perfect. It's got a couple more spots I need to scrub a little bit more on. Now while it's wet, it looks really shiny and nice, not oxidized anymore, but as it's starting to dry off a little bit here, it's the white oxidized plastic is starting to come back, but we're going to take care of that here in just a minute. There's some spots that are just not going to want to come clean. I'm not going to worry too much about them. The triple trees are hiding those. Alright, looks much better. Now we're going to get ready for step 2. Alright, so I mentioned a secret weapon. It's a torch. I'm not going to catch it on fire, but if you take a torch and just melt the top surface of the plastic, it'll make it nice and shiny again. Let's check it out. Now you come back over here, you can see that the oxidized is coming back. It's not perfect. Here, come over around here. Okay, ready? Keep it in the sun. The oxidized is disappearing. Also, those little scratches are melting out of it. Now be careful, because you can get it too hot and melt the plastic too much. This isn't going to turn it perfectly shiny, but it'll be a lot shinier than the scratches we put into it when we were cleaning it, and it'll remove the oxidized. And you got to be careful, kind of get it even, because it will leave weird marks if you do it unevenly. Here again, you can see the oxidization there. I'll leave that little tip of it alone. See how quickly the oxidization is gone? And it's back to, it's not perfect, but it sure looks a lot better than it did. And of course, and as always, don't torch your hands. There, you can already see a much cleaner, nicer look. Got to even it out a little bit, but no big deal there. So if you're trying to sell a bike or fix one up, you want to make it look a little bit better, make it look like not so used and abused. Here's a quick and easy way to accomplish that. Doesn't really take much to do. And there we go. Alright, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.